What's up everyone? Daniel here again. Now I just got home from the gym after a very long day at work and I was blessed with a wonderful surprise. So today's video, I mentioned it in my earlier videos, I'm going to be taking you guys through a shopping haul. So I got these two bad boys. I got 2 bags of clothes straight from Boohooman. So I'm going to be opening this up for you guys today, show you what I got. I'll let you know how much it all costs. And I'll leave some links in the description for you. Also, special shout out to the man at Deuces. So I'm eventually going to be doing a lookbook and a haul from this crew right here. So Deuces Co Sydney, it's a local brand. And I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can get this hat as well. Alright, let's take you through what I've got today, starting with some footwear. So I'm pretty confident these are some suede Chelsea boots. Now the box is all beat up from delivery, but I'm not going to keep the box anyway. Nice. So we've got some black Chelsea boots. A very new smell to it. I just wanted a new pair of Thrasher Chelsea boots, so I'm excited to give these bad boys a workout. I'll make a video out of them as well. So I've got a lot of boots, but I don't have black suede. So I'm really excited about that. Now those boots cost $50, 50 Australian dollars. Now I'm really excited about this. So this is a red flannel. I've been looking for a flannel for a very long time. Now the autumn's rolled around, this is going to be a real cool look. Nice oversized, nice and warm for winter and autumn. So this was $36. 36 bucks. Very thick, nice and warm. Great layering piece to wear over a plain tee. You would not believe it. I'm a genius. And I bought 2 of the exact same flannel in the same size. Now I'm not a bloody lumberjack, so I don't know what I'm going to do with 2. I actually know who I'm going to give this to, so look out, friends and family. One of you is getting a new red flannel. Goodness gracious me. Now we've also picked up some cable knit crew neck jumpers. So I've got a few of these already. I bought them last season, but I needed some more colors. So I've got this in, this is a beige color. Beige colored crew neck sweater. Wow, that's really soft. Very nice and warm. Look at that. It'll go well on a nice pair of blue jeans. I wonder where I would have bought one of those from. Now this was only $16. $16. And those flannels that I bought, they were only $18 each. I just happened to be a genius and I bought 2 of them. A 5-pack of slim fit crew neck shirts. So I read some reviews on this brand, Boohooman, and they do run small. I've been hitting the gym for the past few months, so I've put on a little bit of size. So I've opted for a large in these. So this 5-pack crew neck t-shirts, these slim fits, for 5 of these shirts, cost $22. I kid you not, bloody bargain. So in the multi-pack you can get heaps of different colours, heaps of blacks, heaps of whites. You can get autumn colours, but I went to go all the basics. So I got grey, white. So there's 2 whites, 2 blacks and 1 grey. 22 bucks for 5. This one's the Muscle Fit panelled sweatshirt tracksuit. So this is in charcoal. $38. No, $35. This is a $35 one. Let's open this bad boy up. Man, this is like Christmas. I can't believe how much stuff I've got. Oh, that's nice. So these are the pants. Charcoal. The cuffed at the bottom. Grey and white side stripe. And this is just a matching top. Nice crew neck. It's actually a lot thinner than I thought it would be, so it's perfect to wear right now because it's not that cold. Boohooman, that's $35. Now the next one, this is the over the head hooded tracksuit with side tape. So I got this in a really light blue, so something that really stands out because I've got a lot of grey and a lot of black and a lot of charcoal type of trackies. But this set is real bright. So it's got matching top and bottoms. There's your crew neck at the top. Bright blue. These are the pants. It's gonna look pretty fresh with white sneakers. Alright guys, I've had to film this in 2 parts. I actually did half of the whole haul already. I just happened to get a phone call halfway through recording. Took that phone call on my Apple Watch. After I hung up, I thought I was still recording, so I just kept going. I just kept going with it and going with it. I was so relieved when I was done. And then I looked back and I realized that I've only recorded half. So I'm going to put my thing down, I'm going to flip it and reverse it. The latest clothes that I was trying on, sweating my brains out, trying to give you guys, I guess, my opinion on them. I'm just going to do it all again. So the last thing that I opened was the most expensive item on the list. It was this leather biker jacket. Well, it's fake leather, this biker jacket. Looked great in the photos. I actually think it looks alright in real life as well, IRL. Although it is fake leather and you can tell, you can feel it, the quality is not great. And it's actually quite squeaky as well. When I put it on, I struggled to fit my arms through it and I could feel the jacket squeaking. It felt cheaper than a cheap lounge like this. Actually, this cheap lounge feels better than this jacket, but it looks good. I'm going to add it to my lookbook and I'm going to see what I can do, and then if I don't like it, I'll give it away to someone with slightly smaller arms. The other jacket I had was this indigo denim jacket with the, I guess, the fake wool collar. I'm going to try this on as well, but I'm not doing that again. It's way too hot right now. So I actually liked it. This looked pretty good. It fit me tight around the arms, but there was a little bit of stretch in the denim, so I'm pretty excited to wear that as a layering piece. That costs $36 for that. So that's pretty exciting. I also had another flannel. So this is a dark green. It's a bit thinner than the other one. So I think this is going to look great. Dark denim jeans over a white shirt, maybe some sort of boots at the bottom. So that's pretty fresh. Next up, we had another cable knit sweater. So this was only $16. I'm going to wear these over maybe a couple of the jeans that I bought today. Very simple. You can wear it over a plain tee or even over a button up and expose those buttons over the top. So that's in a dark grey. In a medium, 16 bucks. Had 3 pairs of jeans that I bought as well. So these are stretch skinnies, just very simple black ones. These only cost 22 bucks. It cost $22. I could make these work because all the black pair of jeans I have at the moment, they're all distressed and they're all ripped and they're all torn up. Bloody trends. But that'll be a great pair. I bought 2 jeans, the exact same color, but I didn't do the wrong thing and buy the exact same pair of jeans twice this time. I bought one in skinny because I guess the tighter the better, but if you got fat legs like mine, I guess the tighter isn't always the better. I look like a bloody sausage sometimes. So I've got the skinnies, we'll see how those go. But on top of that, I've got these in a tapered fit. So I think those will fit me nicely. It's looks very thick around the thighs, and that's how a lot of people describe me. Now these jeans are all $22 each, so they were real cheap. So with Boohooman, with this order, I don't know if you've been keeping track of all the prices that I've listed on how much all this costs, but the amount, all this stock together was over $700 Australian dollars. I was lucky enough to find a promo code online. Not lucky, it was actually very easy. You just whack it into Google. I found a mad promo code, gave me 50% off everything. So overall, I only paid $371 for all this. And I'll be honest, I'm happy with about 80% of what I got. So my overall comments, my overall thoughts on these products is that you do get what you pay for. And you can go cheaper with certain items like your tees. Even those flannels and the cable knit sweaters are very cheap, but they look like a great buy. Trackies, I love them already and I haven't even tried them on. The jacket was the leather jacket was, it's not good. Like, it's not, I wouldn't recommend you guys buying that at all, but everything else, get on it. It seemed like a great buy. $370 for everything. You get what you pay for. I've got a lot of pieces that I can play around with. I've got a lot of mess to clean up, so that's going to be a wrap on today's video. So if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest trends, my latest outfits, fashion tips, and men's health and lifestyle ideas. There's a fashion lookbook coming soon, so all these pieces, I'm going to see how many different outfits I can come up with that are fit for the season. So there'll be a lookbook coming soon. So for the hat, look out for Deuces. They do shirts, obviously do hats. Shirts come in all different sizes, different colors, so I'll be leaving links to that website down below. I'm not promoted, by the way, it's just a brand that I heavily invested in. I've got a few shirts myself, so they're great quality, so I encourage you guys to check Deuces out. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave any questions that you have in the comments section. I encourage you to try Boohooman out, but just keep in mind, you always get what you pay for.